guys, today we're going to make a delicious mouth-watering cake called Aflatoon. It tastes very nice and is very easy to make with this tutorial, so let's begin. So we have 4 eggs, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of ghee, 1 cup of milk powder, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, baking powder 1 teaspoon, and any kind of raisins, nuts and dried fruit. We're using pistachios, almond and green raisins. Firstly, we're going to crack 3 eggs into our bowl and then beat it with a whisk. Next, we're mixing our sugar in and whisking it. Next, we're adding in our softened ghee. We're adding our vanilla for a little bit of flavour. Next, we're pouring in our milk powder and whisking that in as well. Also, we're adding in our all-purpose flour. After we got to that consistency, we're adding our extra ingredients, so our dried fruits and nuts, and mixing that in with our spatula so it's evenly spread out. Next, we're just greasing our tray with a little bit of oil. You can use anything you want to grease your tray with. Next, we're just simply pasting our mixture onto our tray, and then we're going to evenly spread it out across our tray. Make sure you preheated your oven 20 minutes before baking. Now we're going to bake this in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. Make sure you check it halfway through the time. So we're using half a cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of water. So in a pot, we're simply going to pour in our sugar and water and heat it until our sugar and water comes to a boil. Next, we're going to check our cake with the toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, that means the cake is ready and perfectly baked. And then we're going to cut our cake into slices. Next, we're dabbing on our sugar syrup. Our sugar syrup, as you can see, is still warm, and so is the cake, and the cake will soak up the sugar syrup, so the cake will be nice and moist and lovely and sweet. So that's it. That's how you make a simple, delicious Aflatoon cake. It's very easy to make and delicious to eat, and the mouth-watering. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.